Hey YouTube, I want to get on here and do a video. It's about this glycolic acid peel that I've been doing for probably over like 6 months now. I love it. I swear by it. I've noticed that my face has become clear and the fine lines and wrinkles around here and a little bit above here where my crow's feet are not as noticeable. So what I've been using is the Skin Obsession. I'm not sure if you can see that. I can link down in the description box below where I purchased it from. I just went on skinobsession.com and ordered it. I think it's like 30 or 40 bucks. And it comes with, I'm not sure how many ounces it is. But anyways, it's the 30% glycolic acid peel. What you're going to be needing is the actual acid, some gauze pads that I purchased. You can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1 or Walmart for $1. Baking soda to do your neutralizer, because you're going to need either a sink full of water or a bowl. And then just pour like a 1/4 cup of this in there just to neutralize the acid once it's been the amount allowed. For me, I do about 5 or 6 minutes depending on how long I want to do it. I know in the beginning when you first start, you can only do it once every like 3 to 4 weeks. I do it every week just because my skin has become immune to it. Also, you'll be needing alcohol to get all the oils off your face before you start. So if you want to see how I do this, keep watching. So you want to get all of your hair out of your face, just because you don't want any of the acid to get in your hair. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is get your, you're going to cleanse your skin really good first. Which I already did. I use Cetaphil. It's amazing because it gets all the oils off without drying your face. And my skin is very sensitive, so I use that just because it doesn't break me out. Because the other stuff has like, it's either too harsh or has too many like fragrance or oils in it. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna grab one of these gauze pads and you're gonna get some. I use the 91% alcohol, so you're going to put some of that on your gauze pad just to saturate it, and you're going to rub it over your face just to get all the oils off your face. Because if you don't have your oils off your face, then the acid, the glycolic acid will not work as well as it will when there's no oils on your face. Okay? Okay, let that dry. Once you let it air dry, then you're gonna get your baking soda. I'm not sure if I have. I sure do. Get your baking soda, and what I do, I'm just gonna fill this up, probably up to here, with water, just to get it, just to prepare it. And you always want to make sure you have this ready, just in case. So If it starts burning to the point to where you can't take it, you just want to go ahead and put that on there and it'll dissolve the, so I just kind of pour a chunk in there just to get it, you know, get it well saturated in there. I have rocks in my sink, so it's difficult for this bowl to sit still. And then you just mix it around just to give it a good, to get all that baking soda absorbed into the water. So now you're just going to get another one of these gauze pads. You can either use the gauze pad or something similar to like this, like a fan brush. But I prefer the gauze pad just because when I'm doing this, sometimes the acid like flicks off and it scares me. Especially messing with acid. Okay, so what you're going to do now is just grab the peel. My phone is going off, I don't know why. And you're just going to put the solution all over and saturate it really good. Okay, close that up so acid doesn't get all over your counters. And what you're gonna do is just, keeps messaging me. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just go over your entire face. And you can feel it starting to burn or sting. But for me, my skin is pretty immune to it. So you just go ahead and just rub it all over your face. And sometimes I'll do a second layer just because I feel like I didn't get enough on there. So just go ahead and put more on your cotton swab and then go over it again. I just love the, this one. I actually purchased another one, not through Skin Obsessions, but Youthful Glow. And I haven't tried that one yet, but I might end up using that one next once I'm done. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're going to dip your fingers in the solution just so it'll dilute the acid that you had on your fingers. Put this on the cotton, put the cotton gauze on top of that so it doesn't ruin anything. Then you're gonna, let's see, 5 minutes. Start it at 5 minutes, and then you're gonna wait, and then if it does get a little irritated and it starts to sting, you can just grab a piece of paper and just fan it. But yeah, I'll be back and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so my timer for 5 minutes is up. And next what I'm gonna do is rinse my face with the neutralizer. I'm just gonna put my head down and just kind of like go over it. And once the water hits your face, you can feel the tingling of the neutralizer, of the water mixture neutralizing the actual acid. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it. And then, oh, this water's cold. Okay. And you never want to rub your face just because your face just had acid on it. So you always want to pat dry. And always, 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 when you're done, you want to moisturize because your face will be very dry. And what I normally use, and it will sting a little bit for a little bit afterwards, but it's natural just because it's getting all that top surface off. But you always want to moisturize and try and stay out of the sun for at least the first, I mean, you don't have to stay out of the sun, but just like don't sunbathe or something. For me, I always use a moisturizer that has SPF in it, which is what you want to use. But for right now, I'm not going anywhere. I normally use my Cetaphil. My bigger one is in my kids' bathroom. It's the moisturizing lotion, but today I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, which I need to get another one because I'm almost out. Christmas present. So just kind of lather it on there without rubbing. Get a good thick layer on there. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I do. And you just want to moisturize, moisturize, moisturize for the next couple of days, just because you might have, it might be a little bit red, because me, I normally get red around here and here just because that's where the peel starts taking place. And there might be a little bit of flaking. It's normal. But other than that, do not do any face scrubs. For me, I don't. But, you know, you want to give it that 5 to 7 days of letting it peel before you try and do like a face scrub or a mask or anything like that. Yeah, so that's all I do. And like I said, it just really, you know, cleanses the face, gets rid of those fine lines and wrinkles. For me, and I love it. I do it once a week, and it's super fast, super easy, and it just makes your face just feel so alive. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I do upload more videos. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you like, if there's a specific video you want to see me do or whatnot. So yeah, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.